Hey guys, welcome to the 2017 MCAT preparation merit or excellence questions. We're going to be looking at question 24 in this series. So today's question, guys, this is the question we're going to be looking at. If you could just pause the video and try the question by yourself, and then I'll actually work through the answer with you. Alright, so I'm assuming you've had a chance to actually have a go at this question. So basically what this question is saying is that you've got a rectangular field, which is this little rectangle area here. 48 meters of fencing is going to be used along an existing fence. So the existing fence is the dark blue line, and then we've got basically this part, and this part has to add up to 48. So when you start doing this question, a lot of people get into the habit of just going one of the side be x and the other side be y. You could do it that way, and that's absolutely fine, but problem is that you've actually got the area as 160 meters squared. So I mean, to think about it, basically you've got this equation, x multiplied by y equals 160. Okay, base times height is 160. The problem is you need to rewrite y in terms of x. And I guess this is where the 48 meters comes in handy, because what we do know is we know that this side is x, this side is y, which means the other side is going to be x as well. So from here we can see that x plus y plus x equals 48, which means I can rearrange this as 2x plus y equals 48, and then y equals 48 minus 2x. So once I have this, where I have y equals 48 minus 2x, I could replace it here. So I'm going to end up with x multiplied by 48 minus 2x equals 160. So at this point, I need to expand the brackets. So I'm going to get 48x, and x times negative 2x is going to be negative 2x squared, and that's equal to 160. So at this point, put everything to one side so that you have a quadratic that equals to 0. So I'm going to rewrite this as 0 equals 160. When 2x squared comes to the other side, it becomes plus 2x squared, and 48x when it comes to this side becomes minus 48x. So kind of writing it neatly, I'm going to have 0 equals 2x squared minus 48x plus 160. Now I need to solve this quadratic, but here's the thing. All of the terms in that quadratic has a common factor of 2. So I'm going to take out the 2 and rewrite it as x squared minus 24x plus 80. So the next thing is I'm going to get rid of the 2, because when I bring 2 to the other side it becomes divide. So I'm going to have 0 divided by 2 equals x squared minus 24x plus 80. So from here I have 0 equals x squared minus 24x plus 80. So at this point, guys, I need to factorize this. So I have 0 equals, I need to look for two numbers that multiply to 80 and add up to negative 24. And I know that it's going to be negative 20 and negative 4. So what I have is x minus 20 equals to 0, or x minus 4 equals to 0. Got the or there. So then my first measurement, x equals to 20, and my second measurement, x equals to 4. Now at this point I've not completed the question because I've been asked to find the dimensions of the field. So I actually need to find out what the y value is. So when x equals to 20, so this is when x equals to 20, y equals to 48 minus 2 times 20. So that's going to be 48 minus 40, and I'm going to get 8. While when x equals to 4, y equals 48 minus 2 times 4, and I've got 48 minus 8, which equals to 40. So my field could actually be two sizes. So one could be 40 by 4, or the other field, which is 20 by 8. So I've got two dimensions. Of course, I'm going to put the meters there. So two fields that are possible, where one is 40 by 4 and the other one is 20 by 8. Alright guys, that's basically it for this particular session. If you have any questions, pop it in the comments below. Feel free to share this video to your classmates and friends. And all I can say is thank you for watching. Oh, and of course, tune in for another question later on.